Hi guys, good morning. Good morning, good morning. So, ayun lang. Alam ko yung mga araw natin ngayon is yung iba sa inyo happy, yung iba sa inyo ay medyo sad, yung iba naman sa inyo ay magpapasko, pero hindi ganun kalaki yung bonus or something like that. Pero, yun nga, for me naman, iba sa amin. And, medyo hindi siya okay kasi recently merong nangyari and actually to be exact of what happened, syempre na-scam kami and it's a big problem. Syempre there's money involved and such like that, and sobrang na-frustrate kami and we're so disappointed, of course, kapag ganito naman yung nangyari sa atin. Pero ano ba yung tinuturo sa atin ng Lord kapag ganito yung nangyayari? Actually, di ba, nasabi ko sa inyo before that the worry, yung pag-aalala, takot, galit, inis, selos, hindi ito sa Panginoon eh. So, pero normally, kapag ganito yung nangyayari sa atin, syempre masakit and we tend to be disappointed, magagalit tayo, pero ako personally, syempre as a tao, maiinis ka, magagalit ka, malulungkot ka. But, this is because I know my God, I know Jesus, I know what they can do, what our God can do in our life. Lagi kong iniisip to. We are saved by the Lord. And the grace and mercy ay lagi nating natatanggap. And there's nothing impossible with our God. So, ito, bibigay ko sa inyo tong verse na to from Ephesians 2:8. Sabi dito, by grace you have been saved through faith. And this is not your own doing. And this is the God gift. This is a gift of God. So, di ba, habang buhay tayo, there's always hope. Kung ano yung nawala sa atin, lagi natin itong mababawi. Sa una talaga masakit siyang tanggapin. Yes, but as long as we are alive, as long as alam natin na may resource tayo na binigay ang Panginoon sa atin. Kung ano yung mawala sa atin, ano man yun, though masakit yun, most of the time, lagi kong iniisip, pag may nawala sa akin, may babalik na mas doble pa at mas greater pa than that. Siguro inalis lang ako ng Panginoon dun para hindi ako dun umasa or hindi talaga yun yung tama. That's my positive thoughts of life dahil nga meron tayong Christ. Hindi to parang sinasabi ko lang dahil madaling makamove on, but sinasabi ko to because I know who my God is, who our God is, what is incapable of my God doing or will do to my life, at ano yung ginagawa niya mismo sa life ko. I just wanted to share this. I know that meron dyan sa inyo na frustrated na maraming pinagdadasal, hindi nangyayari, or pinagdadasal pero iba ang nangyayari. You need to read your Bible, know more about God, kasi sabi nga, diba, sa Jeremiah 29:11, gasgas na to talaga, pero He doesn't have a plan to harm us, but to prosper us. Yun lang guys. So, I hope kung saan man makarating ang video to, you may feel the presence of the Lord, the comfort of the Lord, the protection of the Lord, the love of Jesus, and great thing sa lahat is maramdaman mo ang presence niya every day. Yun lang guys. Don't forget to read your Bible to know more about Jesus. Bye-bye.